Tater's acting like a crazy boy in the morning. He's just spazzing away over there. I was trying to get that on video. His new thing is to play on this couch. And he's trying to make himself a couch. 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 Tater, can you do tickle, tickle, tickle? Tickle, tickle, tickle. What are you doing? Don't fall. You want to get down? Down? It's a lovely scarf you have there. Yeah. Be careful. Oh, the rug. There's love. Hi, Taters. Say hi, Mom. Hey, Taters. Let's go over all your parts. Okay, sit back. Too close. Where's your hair? Where's your ears? Where's your nose? Nose. Nose. No, where's your mouth? Mouth. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your... Oh, there's your eyes and nose. Where's your belly? Where's your arm? Where's your arm? Or where's your feet? Feet? Where's your feet? Where's it? Oh, I saw feet. Where is it? Where's your feet? There's your feet. Where's your toes? Toes? Oh, there's a glass on the floor and something that got pulled off the wall. What else do you want to say? What are your latest things you say? You say good boy? You're just going to be crazy? Come. That's something we hear a lot. Come. Oh, Mommy, come? Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mom. Okay, I'm not really going to leave. See ya.